I've been exploring the Cargo website builder for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this website builder. First, let's talk about what the Cargo website builder actually offers. Cargo is a creative website builder designed primarily for artists, designers, and visual storytellers. Its core idea is to help people build visually stunning portfolio sites or digital showcases without coding knowledge. Everything revolves around clean design and creative freedom. Users can choose from beautifully responsive templates, adjust layouts through an intuitive drag and drop interface, and mix in multimedia elements with ease. It's not a corporate style builder. It's more of an art platform turned serious design tool. Now let's discuss what Cargo does well. The interface is smooth and minimalist, making it easy to focus on design rather than technical setup. The templates look sleek and well curated, perfect for creative professionals who want to stand out. You can layer and stack elements for dynamic page effects or use pinning features to keep certain objects fixed during scrolling. It also supports custom CSS, HTML, and JavaScript for those who want deeper control. Cargo's e-commerce option lets artists sell work directly from their site, and its student program provides free access, which is a thoughtful bonus. However, there are some drawbacks. Cargo doesn't support all browsers. It runs best on Chrome-like ones, and lacks deep SEO tools, backup options, and plugin support. Its performance can be limiting for large, complex projects, and there's less marketing automation compared to mainstream builders like Squarespace or Wix. Overall, the Cargo website builder is best suited for designers and artists who care more about creative expression than analytics or scalability. It's not for everyone, but for the visual creator crowd, it hits all the right aesthetic notes. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.